Hello everyone. If your Samsung front-load washing machine tends to wobble and make a lot of noise during spin cycle, then follow along this video to know some useful tips to resolve this issue. Is your washing machine spinning slowly? An undersized load, drum leaning to one side. Heavy items such as blankets, mats can cause this issue. Press Start Pause button on the panel to stop the spin cycle. Take out all the clothes from the drum. Load the washing machine according to its capacity and load size recommendations. Make sure clothes are evenly distributed inside the drum to prevent clothes from tangling. Never overload the washing machine and separately wash heavy items such as blankets, mats, etc. Now press Start Pause button on the panel to check. Do not overload the washing machine. Conversely, an undersized load can also cause problems. All four legs of the machine should be in firm contact with a solid floor. So this is how you can resolve noise issue during spin cycle in Samsung front load washing machine.